Alright everyone, I am back with a fresh bottle of inspiration. So what do you say we get this bad boy going and see how it turns out? Okay, let's screw the circuit board down now and finish putting it back together. Everything's all back together. I'm going to put in the batteries, flip it over, and we are going to try a tape. But first, I just want to make sure that we have some power going in here from the battery. And if any, okay, the shaft is spinning for the take-up reel and the play. Fast forward is working, and the rewind is working. So excited I can't even speak. So we're going to try a tape, little Judas Priest from 1978, the best of. Let's pray and hope for the best. Well, it is running. Just don't have any sound out of it yet. Fast forward is working with the tape in. The tape is rewinding. And our little voltage gauge here is showing us we're good. We're in the blue. So the batteries in here are good. But let's try and plug it in. We'll put it into the power of the outlet. And actually, let's take out the batteries just to make sure that that is working. Okay, so what we have on this player here is in the very front we have the volume control and we have the tone. If you want a high or low, let's see how that sounds. On top, like I said, they have a little voltage meter here, so when you're not playing it, the needle is showing red here, which means we have no power going through, but when we push play, it goes over to blue. So we have our power indicator showing that we're okay. On this side, we have our microphone hookups. It's a double prong mic, so if you wanted to speak or record anything, you could use the mic. It also has a line in, so that you could record right off of a TV or an auxiliary, you know, from a CD player. And you also have a monitor, so that if you want to listen to what you're recording through the microphone, you can put an earpiece in and listen to it. And it has a line out, so if you want to play this through your stereo or through an external speaker, you just plug into that one. So there it is. Everything seems to be functioning okay. It is 48 years old, and like I said, it is a Toshiba KT 20P from 1970. The battery pack goes in here. We can unplug it. Ready to go. So that's it. That is the simple cassette recorder from 1970. Well, that went well. It's time to grab my beer, my music, head outside, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon.